friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Infinity.
In this video, we are going to discuss about basic geometrical concepts. First, we learn about point. A point determines a location. It does not have length, width, thickness. Look at these points. It looks like a small dot. Okay. A point is denoted by the single capital letter of the alphabet such as A, B, X and so on. Okay. We read it as point A, point B, point X. Next we see line. This is called line. Okay. A line extends along both direction without any end. That means it extends infinitely in both direction. Okay. A line has length only. Here see, this is the length only here. Okay, the length of the line is unlimited. That means there is no end in both directions. A line has no end points. Here there is no end points on the line. Okay, a line can be denoted in two ways. First one is a single small letter of the alphabet such as L, M or N etc. are used to denote lines. Here this is called line L. Next one, by taking two different points say A and B on the line. Here see this diagram. This is the line. There is 2 points on the line A and B. Okay, we read it as line AB or line AB. We see about line segment. Here see, this is the line segment. We have already seen a line has no endpoints, but the line segment has endpoints in both directions. Okay, the points A and B are called endpoints. It is denoted by AB or BA. We read it as line segment AB. Next we see ray. A ray is a line. This is the line. It starts from a point A. It starts from the point A and extends. It is extends without any end in a particular direction. There is no end passing through B. We read it as ray AB. Okay. Next, an unlimited number of rays can be drawn with a given initial point. If you have any point, you can make unlimited number of rays. Okay. Next we see parallel lines. If two lines M and N are parallel lines never intersect each other. Okay. First we take two lines, line M and line N. The lines M and N do not intersect each other. Okay, and have no common point. So the line M and N are called parallel. Okay. Next, intersecting lines. When two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines. See this diagram. This is line L, M and this is line L. The two lines have a common point. Okay, this common point is called point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection of the given two lines. Okay, here the L and M, the lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, when two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines. The point is called the point of the intersection of the two lines. Okay, we see collinear points and non-collinear points. First we see collinear points. Here see, this is the line L and here there are 3 points A, B and C. Okay, here A, B and C lie on the same line L. Okay, see here 3 or more points lie on the same line means then they are called collinear points. So A, B and C are called collinear points. Next we see non-collinear points. See, this is the line M and here there are 3 points A, B, C, but the 3 points do not lie on the same line M. Okay, so then they are called non-collinear points. So A, B and C are called non-collinear points. Okay.